that's about. I mean, I feel like that's annoying about. I mean, it's also interesting to me because like there's things that I haven't seen in this. Like, I didn't know they had that.
Pull, it says pull.
I'm pulled and pulled and pulled. I'm sorry I counted you.
Kick the glasses. Right kick. Right kick. Wait! You're doing that too,
I got it. Hey, I'm about to go. There you go.
Wanna go?
But but it does ultimately sort of make sense. Like your task isn't per se to do anything.
Me a brand new 700. Up and home.
I feel that. I honestly haven't watched like a full game since the beginning of the season.
I mean,
So long. Like mine was like 2 seconds.
Oh, for real?
How you doing? Put it on Discovery Channel.
Put it right here. Let me get.
Channel.
Yeah, I guess some real more. Right? Put him on this one.
Timeout. 36 seconds to go.
Girls, you guys don't have enough dollars in your
And he
pocket.
was like, hold on, I'll be right back. I have to go get something for my friend. And I guess like the people that he knew, he was like storing their stuff in that secret closet. He would get lost. And he opened it and it was just like this purple light. And I was like, why is there a raid going on in the closet? And he was like, no, we're drowning. It's like,
Alright, girl. Which was awesome. I was like, sweet kid. They're like, push. Yeah.
It is fun. Okay, I don't know. I think
Do you love that?
no. I just feel like for practice.
Off.
My friend Emily's was a house tuning party. It's called like
That's good. You sure?
yeah. She's doing it. How are you?
What you looking for? What you looking for, man?
But I got so high, that was scary. I was like, right below, and that's 8 mini carrots for like 2 hours.
Kylie went to the party. I'm down to do whatever. What is jump? Slash great. Yeah. I was like, what do you want to do? It's not even clean. It says 11 p.m. Everyone should come in.